guys, and welcome back. Now, a few days ago I did a little contest where you can guess a number in between 1 and 100. The first person closest to my number wins the free Bluetooth kit that I've been using on my car for about 4 years now. Now, this Bluetooth kit is just a USB to aux. If you do not have the USB, BMW outlet right in there, it works on a cigarette to USB. The USB is just only there to power it, that's it. Of course, you have to have the aux to be able to do that. Auto connects to your phone. It's very inexpensive. It works great. If you have an iOS device, like of course like an iPhone, you can use Siri to switch the songs. You can use your Apple Watch, if you have an Apple Watch, of course, to do that. So I was able to test that because I know some folks said, well, you don't have steering wheel controls and blah, blah, blah. And just, come to find out that if you just use Siri to say, hey Siri, skip the song, it'll skip it like on Pandora or whatever you're playing. So hey, that's something nice. Well, I'm here to announce the winner of that contest right here. Now what I did is I went to the comments, I sorted from newest to oldest, and then went all the way down to the very bottom. My number is 55. The closest person to 55 won the prize. I want to say a huge congratulations to Anthony as he won the little prize that I did right here. Obviously with him guessing 54, one away, you're the closest and you won. Now I'm going to be doing a much bigger prize giveaway, so don't worry about that. That's going to be soon coming. So I'm moving here on Thursday to go into the new house. Better DIYs, better videos, a lot more great stuff to come. Well guys, as always, thanks for stopping in. Appreciate everyone participating in that contest. More to come, of course, like I said. And as always, please be sure to subscribe, like, and then comment below. Take care.